Craft makes children confident individuals and becomes a reason to further boost their involvement in daily activities like brushing teeth, eating by themselves, and tying their shoelaces. Let craft be their medium to express themselves. It could be as simple as a card for their dad on his birthday or a handmade bag for their mom to keep her essential things together. These childhood learnings then become the fundamentals during their growing years, which molds their overall personality. With art and crafts, a child tends to learn faster as his mind starts to look at everything with a different perspective, which makes even the complex things suddenly appear simple. A child's mind is a world of unending possibilities, and with Craftopedia, we give these possibilities a little wind to scale it to newer heights of imagination and paint their skies pink.